pipe this far before, because this was all water before.
Alright, what's up guys? A wall that we're planning to paint down in Tunbridge Wells, and then we're going to hit up an abandoned train tunnel and an abandoned mobile Q bunker. I got to kill some time though, because my train is in about an hour. I haven't even done a sketch. I'm just going to wing it.
Actually, I might do this. Just like this.
Oh. Time to sign it, bro. Then we done.
No, I say, would you rather have a celery?
I'm just gonna go over.
Alright. I'll meet you. I can't guarantee it won't be wet in the tunnel.
That's okay, I got shitty shoes on. Yeah. Oh shit, I see it. Oh, it's wet. Yo.
Okay, it's less wet than last time. And it is, I'm fairly sure it's dry back there.
Oh, it is, yeah. If we just make it along here. Alright. I think I've made it to the dry bit. Can I stand on this? Yes. Holy shit.
I told you it was pretty good.
Yeah, this is pretty good. What the fuck?
So how did you get there? You go on this?
Yeah, I went to the end. You just got keep your hand on the wall though. Like put a lot of your weight on the wall. Yo.
Are you getting food?
Yeah, I'm filming this whole thing.
Do you have a good phone camera?
Yeah.
Do you get pictures? Because mine isn't going to pick up anything.
Yeah, I'll get pictures. Hat in my waistband because my head. Why are there so many balls? There's actually like hundreds of
That's what
fucking no. Like, look at this shit.
Yeah, you're right, actually.
What the fuck?
Why is your torch so powerful?
I don't know. I love it. Oh, wait, that's actually kind of a hard picture. Wait.
I really hope it's all wet on this side.
No, it looks quite dry.
Yeah. Hopefully. Yeah, it sounds like we're in like World War II and we're getting bombed.
To be fair, if it was World War II and we were getting bombed, this is probably not a bad place to hide.
Yeah, let's collapse on us.
Yeah.
That would be a terrible way to die. I'd rather just be bombed. Yeah, so
Oh.
according to like every drawing that covers this tunnel, this is the worst place to get out. Like you don't want to get out this way.
Oh, yeah, no, that's fucking wet.
Yeah.
If you walk like 10 meters down a side road, like right next to that, and you get a dinghy, it's like under this building, there's like a big archway. And if you go in there and get out, there's like a little door you can go through, and then it leads to like all of like the telephone tunnels under London.
Oh shit! I didn't. Do you have to use the boat to like get in there?
Yeah.
Do you have to use the boat the whole time?
Oh no, you literally just use the boat to get to the entrance.
Shit.
And then you just walk it.
I would hate to get lost in that.
Oh yeah, fuck that.
Humanity.
Yeah, the people that made this like little bridge over the wet stuff, absolute legends.
There's lots of water skimmers, isn't there?
Yeah,
Little bugs.
little guys. Alright, we're out.
So you walk when you have fun with that.
Damn. Yeah, getting down is gonna be a bitch. Oh. Your fucking passport, man. Oh. I beg you get a picture. Oh. I got my beanie in my waistbands, so it might look a bit weird. Good. Oh. That feels so much higher than it actually is. Like, I was stood on the very edge. Fucking terrifying. Oh. Oh. I felt that. Ugh. Let me check there's not people walking past. There's nobody. Ugh. Quicker. Yeah, but then you would have had to wait for me to get through it. It looks like there's something on that side. There's like metal shit.
I think this is it. Let's get ready. I'm relying on you for pictures as well with your phone, because
Yeah, I'll record everything as well. Yeah, looks like someone's cut this shit, bro.
Yeah, they keep having to cover it up, but then we'll just tell them that we're in here. Right. Oh wait, no, I think this is a different entrance. That's what I went, because there was no graffiti. No, there was a lot of graffiti, the one I went to. So you might be in the wrong one, sadly. Yeah, no. Oh, no spoilers?
Fucking hell.
I'll see it. Yeah, we're in the wrong one. They can get over there.
What are the chances that there's other people down here?
Wait, no, this is the right one. This is the right one. These are either males or very young females. Actually, no, it is the right time of year for the young females to be out. So.
Holy fucking shit! Are you seeing this, man?
There's so many up here, man.
Ew.
Do you want to look?
No, I'm good.
Okay. I'll show you when we come back up. Yeah, there's a bunch of slopes. Wood lice. In Devon, we call wood lice chicken. Oh, bro, that's the one I saw. Look at that.
Fucking hell!
That's what I'm saying. That's bad. No, oh. Just want to make sure I'm not spider.
Yeah, to be fair, if there's any on the roof there, I would have got them on me, because I was rubbing myself up that bit. Yeah, I had to jump as well. Are you seeing? Yeah. No, but you seeing this
down
shit?
here is really musty. I'm just saying. Like, it's not still air like people say.
Holy fuck! This like slope is nuts.
Yeah.
Stairs are a little bit wet.
Bugs. I don't like bugs. I love bugs, but I don't particularly like touching most of them. Be careful, don't slip, please.
Yeah, I won't.
Because the floor is wet.
It is very wet.
Yes.
I was about to say that.
This was my first urbex after a few years of not doing any.
What the fuck, man?
'Cause I did it when I was younger in Devon. Not actually like, oh, I'm doing urbex, but just like, oh, hey, let's go to that abandoned building because we're kids. So this is my first like urbex when I called it urbex. You know what I mean by that?
Yeah. Oh, it's fucking wet down here.
See, if we were in Final Destination, then a bunch of water would just come down.
I don't think we can go through that.
We're looking up for the tunnel.
Yeah. Now, to be fair though, I did the fucking, I scouted out that mansion by myself, you know, when, and I went off to go do the thing. It was like pitch black.
I don't like
That
being
was fucking terrifying.
alone with my thoughts like that, though. You know what I mean?
Because you just overthink,
Yeah.
and it's like, what the fuck?
That's why I hate like climbing alone as well. Yeah, I've only gotten to the top of towers while climbing alone, I think once or twice. And I can't even take pictures because I'm always too scared to get my hands off the bars. Because I'm scared of heights.
Yeah, I usually just find somewhere to like sit or like wrap my leg around, or my arm.
No, but I overthink too much to do that when I'm alone.
Yeah.
Half the time I just won't do it. If I'm alone. Don't like it. Right, this bit's a bit difficult, I'll be honest with you.
Yeah, because it's all at like a slope. So they tried to seal it off, and then someone came down with a fucking bomb.
Yeah, this used to be, that used to be sealed off.
How do you like get through this though?
This is the only entrance that people have like gone through because they can just keep sealing things off. Okay.
Yeah.
That was nice.
That was sick. I wish it wasn't flooded though.
I mean, I could get down further than I did last time. Oh, this shit. Oh, it moved. Oh. Yeah, there's so many adolescent ones. I think the ones most of them are adolescent female.